Hi friends, we are going to see the topic integrity in databases. So what is integrity? Integrity is a crucial characteristic of databases which helps relational databases to maintain stability of data and precision of data. So the different integrity issues that we'll be seeing today is entity integrity, referential integrity, domain integrity, column integrity, and user-defined integrity. Let me start with the scenario. I have two entities. One is student, the other is a sport entity. Simple. A student entity has a student ID, student F name, student date of birth, student gender. The characteristics of student entity. I have sport entity which has the sport ID, sport name, and the sport team leader. Okay. So now I'm going to relate these two tables. Yes. So every table has a unique primary key. Student ID is the primary key. Sports ID is the primary key. Sports ID is the primary key. Now I'm going to relate these two tables, and to relate two tables you need a foreign key. Your foreign key is sport team leader, which is going to connect to the primary key here. Okay. So this is a relationship where I have two tables associated, and the student ID 101 Triple H is the team leader for wrestling. The student ID 103 James is the team leader for table tennis. The student ID 104 Amrita is the team leader for chess. Okay, just about relationships. Now I'm coming into integrity. So entity integrity ensures the uniqueness of each and every tuple, right? So when I look at this table, okay, I'm having 101 Triple H, 102 Sunil, 103 James, 104 Amrita, and I'm having student ID as a primary key. This entity integrity ensures that I do not have another value like 101 Tom, etc. So this will not be allowed because entity integrity doesn't allow it. Okay? So entity integrity ensures the uniqueness of a tuple. So next we'll see what is referential integrity. This is concerned with the foreign key. Look at the foreign key values. It takes values only with the values of the attribute it is associated with. It has taken values 101, 103, 104. If there is another category, say for example 1114, okay, and you say he plays baseball, there is a sport named baseball, and you try to enter 106. Okay. Now this conflicts referential integrity because the value 106 is not here. It could have been 104, or if it is a one-to-many relationship, it can also be, it's a one-to-many relationship. It can also be 102, but it can never be 106. So this is referential integrity. The next concept we are going to see is domain integrity. Domain integrity is nothing but it ensures that there is a domain of values. For instance, in student gender, you cannot have any value except male or female. For example, if you have marks out of 100, you cannot have a value greater than 100. So the domain is there. Okay? So it ensures that your values are within the domain. Column integrity, similar to domain integrity, it is nothing but it ensures that the column has the same type of data, that is the same data type, same data length. Okay? It cannot take any other value. For instance, when I talk about sports ID and if I have it as numeric, I cannot have a ABC here. Okay? It will conflict with column integrity. The last one, the user integrity, user-defined integrity, simple, straightforward. It is a constraint set by the user. For instance, an employee should not get a salary more than his supervisor. So that's a user-defined integrity. For instance, another instance I can say, a person less than 18 years should not drive a car. So that's user-defined integrity. Friends, I'm sure you have understood integrity.